Hello holders, welcome back to channel in DTV Fab. If you come first time my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button and share with holders. 5 social security changes in 2026 hitting current retiree the hardest. Okay, millions of retirees are noticing something strange in 2026. Even after receiving a social security increase, many still feel financially squeezed. Higher Medicare costs, taxes, earnings, limits, and service changes are quickly reducing what seniors actually keep each month. In this video, we will discover the 5 best guest social security changes affecting retiree right now and why so many Americans feel catch off guard this year. The 2026 COLA increase. The Social Security Cost of Living Adjustment known as COLA increased benefit by 2.8% in 2026. These raised the average monthly retirement benefit from around $2,015 in 2025 to approximately $2,079 in 2026. While any increase sound helpful, many retirees say the adjustment still feel too small because inflation, healthcare, groceries, utility, and housing costs continue rising faster than their monthly social security check. Why the COLA feels smaller? Many retirees expected their monthly deposit to increase noticeable after the COLA adjustment. However, rising expenses quickly absorbed much of the extra money. Healthcare costs, prescription, medication, insurance premiums, and everyday living expenses continue putting pressure on retirement budget. For senior living on fixed income, even a small increase in initial cost can completely erase the financial relief that COLA increases are supposed to provide each year. Medicare Part B premium increases. One of the biggest reasons retirees are losing part of their COLA increases is Medicare Part B premium hike. In 2026, standard monthly Part B premium increased from $185 to about $202.90 because Medicare premium are often deducted directly from Social Security check. Many retirees are seeing smaller net deposit than expected even after receiving a COLA increases earlier this year from the government. Who gets hit the hardest by Medicare cost? Higher income retiree may pay even more through additional Medicare surcharge called IRMAA. Meanwhile, newer Medicare enrolls many not qualify for certain protection that prevent Social Security check from shrinking. As a result, two retirees receiving similar Social Security benefits may still end up with very difficult take-home amount depending on income levels, enrollment timing, and healthcare related deduction after their retirement benefit this year. Earning limit for working retiree. Retirees who continue working before reaching full retirement age are also facing updated earning limit in 2026. If a retiree under full retirement age earn more than $25,480 this year, Social Security primarily withhold part of their benefit for every $2 earned above the limit. $1 may be withheld from monthly Social Security check until full retirement age is eventually reached. Why working seniors feel frustrated? Many retirees work part time simply to cover rising living expenses, medical bills, or debt payment. Some are surprised when Social Security reduced their check because they exceeded earning limit. Although withheld benefits are later recalculated after full retirement age, the immediate reduction in monthly income can still create financial stress during retirement year, especially for seniors relying heavily on every social security payment they receive every month. Taxes on social security benefits. Another major problem affecting retiree in 2026 involves taxes on social security benefits depending on total combined income. Up to 85% social security benefit may become taxable. The income threshold triggering these taxes have not been adjusted for inflation in decades. As COLA increase slowly raise benefit amount, more retirees are unexpectedly crossing into taxable income territory without actually becoming with her in real term. Why taxes surprising retiree? Many middle income retirees receiving pension, IRA, withheld, or part time income are discovering their social security check are now particularly taxable. Even modest COLA increases can push total income above taxes threshold. This means retiree may lose part of their annual increase to federal tax, reducing the real benefit of higher monthly payment and making retirement budgeting even more difficult for millions of older Americans. Change to Social Security services. The Social Security Administration is continuing to shift toward digital service in 2026. More retirees are being encouraged to manage account online, use identity verification system, and schedule appointment instead of visiting office directly. While these changes improve efficiency for some users, many seniors, especially those without reliable internet access or strong computer skill, are finding the system increasingly difficult to navigate. Why service access matters? Retiree living in rural area or community where social security office have reduced staffing, many experience longer wait time and fewer in-person support options. Simple tasks like updating address, coordinating Medicare information, or verifying benefit may now require more planning. Many seniors still prefer face-to-face assistance, especially when handling complicated retirement or healthcare issues affecting their monthly benefit and financial stability. None of these social security change alone may seem dramatic, but together they are creating real financial pressure for millions of retirees in 2026. Smaller COLA increase, higher Medicare, premium taxes, earning limits, and reduced service access are all affecting retirement income at the same time. Staying informed about these changes can help retirees better protect their benefit, plan ahead, and avoid costly surprises throughout retirement.